Are you tired of spending hours searching for niches that just don't deliver? Have you ever felt that frustration staring at this exact screen in your Pretty Merch dashboard, waiting, hoping for that first sale, but all you see is no sales yet? It's tough, right? That mix of hope and disappointment while you keep trying without clear direction. What if you could instantly find niches that match your Merch by Amazon tier and see live results straight from Amazon's search pages, saving you time and cutting out the guesswork? Welcome to this quick demo of the Niche Extractor Chrome extension, built to make niche research simpler, smarter, and more connected to what's really happening on Amazon right now. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the core features to get valuable insights and test niches effectively based on your tier. Let's jump in and find those winning niches that are truly worth your time. First step, sign in to Niche Extractor Plus to get started. You'll receive a one-time OTP code by email, enter it to complete your login and unlock all features. Now, go to the Merch Research section. Start your search with a general keyword. For example, we chose Funny Cat. For better results, make sure to check the box Include Only Last 30 Days New Arrivals, so you only see products released within the last 30 days. This helps to find the most recent listings quickly and easily. After getting the initial results on the first page, you can quickly scan through them to see if any niches catch your attention and match your search criteria. If you want to dig deeper, use the Range Selection feature to specify the page numbers, for example, from page 1 to page 3, so you can gather results from multiple pages all at once on a single page. Later, you can apply advanced filters to narrow down your search further based on your specific preferences or goals. After setting the range selection from page 1 to page 3, wait for the extension to extract data from all the products across these pages. Once you see the message, Total Products Processed, done, click the Collect Data button. Next, click View Collected Data to review all the gathered information. From there, apply filters to narrow down the results, making it easier to choose the best niches that fit your criteria. After filtering the results, we notice a recurring title, No Ice Please Funny Cat Meme. This could be a promising niche, so we decide to deepen our research by searching specifically for this keyword in the Merch Research section. This helps us focus on a niche that shows potential based on our initial findings. At this stage, we noticed that this niche has 189 results across 4 pages. Since the number of pages is small, we decided to set the range selection from page 1 to page 4. Then we click Collect Data to gather all the products from these 4 pages. This allows us to later review detailed information in the Niche Metrics section. Before accessing Niche Metrics, you need to fill out this form based on your Merch by Amazon tier, whether you run Amazon ads and the niche type. If you're not sure about the niche type, just leave it as not specific. After that, click Save. You'll need to do this every time you want to check the niche metrics for a niche. Finally, you need to click the Niche Metrics button to see detailed info like the niche score and niche sales power. This will help you evaluate the niche better. This niche is rated average, so consider testing it with one product slot to gauge its potential based on your current tier level. Use this to gauge the niche's real potential. Depending on your results, decide whether to invest more or switch to a better niche. The score is based on collected data and complex calculations to guide you, but the final decision is always yours. Thanks for watching. This was a quick demo to show you how to use the Niche Extractor extension for niche research. Take your time exploring all the settings, filters, and advanced options to narrow down your search and find the best niche that fits you. Happy selling!